Hello, and welcome to the Acing Plants channel, where you can learn as much as you want to about plants and have fun too. The allure of a lush garden without the constant upkeep, every plant parent's dream. If you have a black thumb rather than a green one, fear not. We're about to embark on a botanical adventure where the plants practically take care of themselves. Get ready to meet the top 15 low-maintenance outdoor plants that'll bring life to your garden without demanding too much of yours. Succulents. Let's kick things off with the undisputed champs of low-maintenance greenery. Succulents thrive on neglect. They're like the houseplants that send you a postcard from their tropical vacation, saying, "Don't worry about me, I'm just chilling." Snake plant, Sansevieria. This plant is so resilient, it could survive a zombie apocalypse. It thrives in nearly any light condition and only needs watering when you remember or when the world ends, whichever comes first. Lavender. Not only does lavender add a delightful fragrance to your garden, but it also repels pesky insects. It's like having your own natural bug bouncer. Zinnias. These colorful blooms are like the summer interns of the plant world. They work hard, blooming all season long, but don't require constant supervision. Mint. Mint is like that friend who always shows up unannounced but is so refreshing to have around. It spreads quickly, so just give it some space and it'll do its thing. Spider plant. If Spider-Man were a plant, he'd be a spider plant. This guy can hang literally in any corner of your garden and still look cool. Rosemary. This aromatic herb is not only delicious in your cooking, but also a breeze to care for. It's like having a gourmet chef on standby. Hostas. These leafy beauties are the introverts of the plant world. They prefer the shade and don't need much attention to thrive. Aloe vera. Not just for sunburns, aloe vera is a hardy succulent that requires minimal watering. Plus, you never know when you might need it for an emergency skincare situation. Peperomia. With its thick, glossy leaves, peperomia adds a touch of elegance to any garden without demanding too much TLC. Ferns. These ancient plants have been around since before dinosaurs roamed the earth, so they know a thing or two about survival. Keep them moist and they'll reward you with lush green fronds. Agave. Another member of the succulent squad, agave is like the cool cousin who never gets fazed by anything. Drought? No problem. Harsh sunlight? Bring it on. Bamboo. Bring a touch of zen to your garden with bamboo. Once established, it requires minimal maintenance and adds a tranquil vibe to any outdoor space. Cacti. No list of low-maintenance plants would be complete without cacti. These prickly characters are the ultimate survivors, thriving in the harshest conditions with minimal water. Daylilies. Last but not least, daylilies are the reliable workhorses of the garden. They bloom profusely with little attention and come in a variety of colors to suit any aesthetic. These outdoor plants will add greenery to your life. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice plant parent, these resilient beauties are sure to thrive with minimal effort on your part. So, go ahead, add a touch of green to your outdoor space and let nature do the rest. If you learned something new or enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!